How to screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. Firstly, you guys have to scroll down from the top and turn on airplane mode. Now once you guys have turned on airplane mode, now open up Snapchat on your phone. So now from over here, just simply open up the chat that you want to take a screenshot in. So I will open up this chat and I will just simply take a screenshot from over here. So when you guys have taken a screenshot, simply back up and you guys can see that we have taken a screenshot. Now simply open up that person's Snapchat, then click on the top right and then click on chat settings and then click on clear from chat feed, click on clear. And now if you were to come back, you guys can see that that chat is now gone. So I will just simply close Snapchat now and I will turn on airplane mode back on. And then now if you were to come back, you guys can see that that chat is also gone and you also have your screenshot. So guys, that is the first method as to how you guys can basically take a screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. The second method is to just simply open up the chat of the person you want to take a screenshot in, then simply open up their chat, then simply scroll up from the bottom, and then from over here just simply do this. So from over here, as soon as you guys are about to simply scroll up, then from over here take a screenshot. So like do this, and hopefully you guys are gonna get a really good screenshot once you guys do this for a few times. But the best method is of course the first method, which I showed you just now. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, till next time. Goodbye.